Master your time, master your life. Time is the most valuable resource we have. If we use it wisely, we can achieve success, happiness, and balance in life. But if we waste time, we feel stressed, overwhelmed, and stuck. In Master Your Time, Master Your Life. Brian Tracy explains that time is not just one thing. It has different types. Each type requires a different strategy. When you master these types, you master your life. Many people feel they don't have enough time. The truth is, everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people is how they use those hours. Tracy identifies 10 types of time and teaches how to manage each one effectively. 1. Strategic time. Plan for the future. Successful people don't just live day by day, they plan for the future. Strategic time is when you think about your long-term goals and how to reach them. To use this time well, write down your goals for the next 5 to 10 years. Make a plan with clear steps to achieve them. Take action every day to move toward your goals. Without a clear vision, it's easy to waste time on things that don't matter. Tip: review your goals regularly to stay focused. 2. Productive time. Get work done. Productive time is when you do important work that moves you closer to your goals, but many people waste time on distractions, social media, and unnecessary tasks. To be more productive, identify your most important tasks. Start with the hardest task first. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. Work for 50 minutes, rest for 10. Tip: the 80-20 rule says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Find the 20% of tasks that give you the best results. 3. Income time. Earn more, work less. Your income depends on how you use your time. If you want to earn more, don't just work harder. Work smarter. Successful people. Focus on high-value tasks. Develop new skills to increase their value in the job market. Delegate or automate tasks that don't require their time. Tip: instead of spending all your time working, invest in learning skills that will increase your income over time. 4. Spare time. Use it wisely. Most people waste their spare time watching TV, scrolling through social media, or doing unimportant activities. Instead, you can use this time to read books and learn new things, exercise to stay healthy, build relationships with family and friends. Tip: carry a book or an audiobook so you can learn even when waiting in line or commuting. 5. Work time. Be efficient. Being busy is not the same as being productive. Many people spend hours working but achieve very little. To be more efficient at work, focus on high-impact tasks first. Take short breaks to stay fresh. Avoid multitasking. It reduces efficiency. Tip: use a to-do list to prioritize tasks and avoid distractions. 6. Creative time. Think and innovate. Many of the greatest ideas in history came when people were relaxed. Creative time is when you think deeply and come up with new ideas. To boost creativity, spend time alone thinking. Go for a walk. Movement helps the brain. Keep a notebook to write down ideas. Tip: set aside at least 30 minutes a week for creative thinking. 7. People time. Build strong relationships. Your success and happiness depend on the people around you. Strong relationships lead to new opportunities, personal growth, and emotional support. To improve your relationships, spend time with positive and successful people. Stay in touch with old friends and colleagues. Help others without expecting anything in return. Tip: Make a habit of calling or messaging people regularly. 8. Family time. Strengthen your bonds. Many people regret not spending enough time with family. Work and social life are important, but nothing replaces quality family time. To make the most of family time, eat meals together without distractions. Have deep conversations. Plan fun activities like trips or game nights. Tip: put your phone away when spending time with family. 9. Rest and recovery time. Recharge your energy. Rest is essential for productivity and happiness. If you work too much without breaks, you will burn out. Ways to rest effectively. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Take short breaks during the day. Enjoy hobbies like reading, music, or nature. Tip: a well-rested mind is more creative and productive. 10th spiritual time. Find meaning in life. Successful people have a strong sense of purpose. They know why they do what they do. To find meaning in life, reflect on your values and beliefs. Meditate, pray, or practice mindfulness. Be grateful for what you have. Tip: write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. It will make you feel happier. Final thoughts. Your life is shaped by how you use your time. If you plan well, you can achieve your dreams. If you work efficiently, you can get more done in less time. If you rest and spend time with loved ones, you will feel happier and healthier. Start today by identifying which areas need improvement and take small steps every day. Master your time, and you will master your life.